Imagine, if you will, a world without humans. It's a thought experiment, a glimpse into a reality both unsettling and awe-inspiring. Picture the bustling streets, now eerily silent, the skyscrapers standing tall but empty, and the parks, once filled with laughter, now overrun by nature. What would happen to our planet if we vanished? How would the natural world respond to our sudden absence? What fate would befall our cities, our creations, our very legacy? Would our monuments stand the test of time or crumble under the weight of neglect? This is not a question of how, but of what if. What if the world continued without us, evolving in ways we could never predict? We will explore the intricate tapestry of life on Earth in the absence of its most dominant species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, life would find a way to thrive. This is the story of the world without us, a world where nature reclaims its space and the balance of ecosystems is restored. Our journey begins not with a bang, but with an unsettling silence. The absence of human noise, the quiet that follows, is both haunting and beautiful. The constant hum of human activity, the symphony of civilization, fades to nothing. In its place, the sounds of nature emerge, louder and more vibrant than ever before. Our absence is the catalyst, the starting point for a planet in profound transition. A transition that reveals the resilience of nature and the impermanence of human constructs. The most immediate changes are stark, almost brutal in their swiftness. Cities, once teeming with life, fall silent. Lights powered by automated systems flicker and die. Traffic lights blink out, their purpose lost in a world devoid of cars. Power grids, no longer managed, overload and fail. Nuclear power plants, their safety mechanisms triggered, go into automatic shutdown. The intricate web of technology that underpins our existence unravels with shocking speed. Water pumps cease, leading to flooding in subways and basements. Without regular maintenance, pipelines crack and leak, their contents seeping into the ground. The infrastructure we rely on, so complex and interconnected, begins its inexorable decline. Amidst the decaying remnants of our civilization, a different kind of change is underway. Nature, ever opportunistic, begins to reclaim its dominion. Plants, freed from the constraints of concrete and steel, push through cracks in sidewalks and roads. Animals, once confined to parks and reserves, venture into the abandoned urban landscape. Deer graze in suburban gardens, their fear of humans diminished. Birds nest in the skeletal frames of skyscrapers, their songs echoing through the empty streets. In the absence of hunting and habitat destruction, wildlife populations begin to rebound. Species driven to the brink of extinction find a new lease on life. The balance of nature so long disrupted begins to right itself. While nature flourishes, the structures we leave behind face a different fate. Exposed to the elements, buildings begin to deteriorate, wind and rain erode concrete, rust eats away at metal, and plants take root in the smallest crevices. Skyscrapers, once symbols of human ambition, crumble and fall. Bridges, no longer maintained, collapse into rivers and ravines. Dams, their purpose obsolete, give way to the relentless force of water, reshaping the landscape. The process of decay is slow but relentless. Within a few centuries, our cities will be unrecognizable, swallowed by vegetation and reclaimed by the earth. Our most enduring monuments will be not of stone or steel, but of the impact we had on the planet. Section 5. A world reclaimed, long-term ecological transformation. Over millennia, the Earth undergoes a profound ecological transformation. Forests, once fragmented by human activity, reconnect, forming vast unbroken canopies. Deserts, no longer encroached upon, expand and contract according to natural cycles. The oceans, freed from pollution and overfishing, teem with life. Coral reefs, given a chance to recover, flourish in vibrant colors. Whales, their songs no longer drowned out by human noise, communicate across vast distances. The planet enters a new era, one defined by ecological balance and the resilience of nature. The legacy of humanity is not erased, but transformed, absorbed into the fabric of the earth itself. Section 6. The climate's reprieve. Our absence, its impact. One of the most significant long-term effects of our disappearance is the impact on the climate. With the cessation of human activity, greenhouse gas emissions plummet. The planet begins to slowly heal from the damage we have inflicted. Temperatures stabilize and the effects of climate change gradually subside. Sea levels, no longer rising at an alarming rate, stabilize. Extreme weather events, while still occurring naturally, become less frequent and intense. The planet's ability to regulate itself, so long hampered by human interference, is restored. The climate system, though scarred, begins to return to a state of equilibrium. Section 7. Evolutionary pathways, life finds a way. With humans out of the picture, the evolutionary trajectory of life on Earth takes a dramatic turn. Animals that have adapted to human-dominated landscapes face new challenges and opportunities. Some species thrive, while others struggle to survive. Domesticated animals, now feral, must learn to fend for themselves. Some, like dogs and cats, form new packs and colonies, while others, less adaptable, gradually die out. New species evolve, filling the ecological niches left vacant by our absence. The process of evolution is unpredictable, driven by chance and necessity. What new forms of life will emerge from the crucible of our absence remains an intriguing mystery. Section 8. Echoes of our existence, what remains? Though nature reclaims the planet, traces of our existence linger for millennia. The relentless march of time sees forests reclaiming urban areas, vines enveloping rusted cars, and playgrounds once filled with laughter now silent and overgrown. These scenes tell a story of a world where humanity once thrived, leaving behind a complex legacy intertwined with nature. Plastic, a material designed to last for centuries, persists in the environment, breaking down into smaller and smaller particles but never truly disappearing. Beaches, once pristine, are now littered with plastic waste, and oceans teem with floating debris. This synthetic material, a testament to human ingenuity, also serves as a stark reminder of our environmental footprint. Radioactive waste from nuclear power plants remains hazardous for thousands of years, a silent reminder of our technological prowess and the dangers it posed. Abandoned nuclear facilities and warning signs stand as monuments to a time when humanity harnessed the power of the atom, leaving behind a legacy of both progress and peril. Satellites, their orbits slowly decaying, eventually re-enter the atmosphere, burning up as fiery streaks across the sky. These man-made objects, once symbols of our reach for the stars, become fleeting spectacles, reminding us of our quest for knowledge and the impermanence of our creations. These echoes of our presence serve as a testament to the enduring impact we had on the planet, both positive and negative. Decaying urban landscapes and ancient ruins reclaimed by nature illustrate the transient nature of human achievements, while rusted machinery in fields speaks to our industrial past. They are a reminder of our responsibility to the Earth and the legacy we leave behind. As we look at Earth from space, we see a planet teeming with life and potential. The actions we take today, like children planting trees, shape the world of tomorrow. Our legacy is not just in what we build, but in how we nurture and protect our home. Section 9. A planet reimagined, Earth without us. The thought experiment of a world without humans is a sobering one. Imagine cities falling silent, streets empty, and buildings slowly being reclaimed by nature. The bustling urban centers we once knew would become ghost towns, overtaken by plants and wildlife. It forces us to confront the impact we have on the planet and to consider the possibility of a future without us. Our industrial activities have left scars on the Earth. Deforestation, polluted rivers, and factory emissions are just a few examples of the damage we've caused. Yet it is also a reminder of the resilience of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Forests would regrow, animals would return to their natural habitats, and lush rainforests would thrive once more, showcasing the incredible ability of nature to heal itself. In the end, the Earth will continue to evolve, with or without us. The seasons will change, volcanoes will erupt, and ocean waves will keep crashing against the shores. The planet's natural processes will persist, indifferent to our presence or absence. The story of life on this planet is far from over. Diverse wildlife will continue to flourish, sunrises will paint the skies with breathtaking colors, and coral reefs will thrive in the depths of the oceans. Our absence would be a profound loss, But it would also be an opportunity for the planet to heal and for nature to chart a new course. Wildlife would reclaim urban areas, forests would recover from fires, and abandoned structures would be overgrown with vegetation. The question is not whether the Earth will survive without us, but what kind of world we will leave behind. Will it be a world marred by pollution and climate change, or one where future generations can thrive? The choice is ours to make.